Rachel is at work today and I am alone with these two little princesses.
Come on, let's go!
Oh, check this out. I love this picture. Look at this picture. How long ago was that? I think 3 years ago. All right,
And I was the
got the
little
keys.
baby.
Let's go. Hey, who's driving?
Me.
You're gonna drive?
Yeah.
All right. You wanna go in this swing? You girls wanna go higher?
Yeah. It's my pirate ship.
Arr. What you doing there, pirate?
You wanna fight?
Change.
Look how brave she is.
I got your hand.
You're almost there.
I'm on the top of the wheel. That was so bumpy. I'm gonna actually do that. Let's play hide and seek. So I'm gonna hide and you're gonna count, okay? So, we're playing hide and okay, I'm gonna go hide. I'm gonna go count now, and my sister's gonna go hide. Okay, let's go. This got to be a whole spot, guys.
Here.
1, 2, 3, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Where is she? Do you see her? Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Found you. Found her. Tally found me. Hi. Let's handcuff together, and we're gonna try and go through the whole obstacle course. Down here, go down here, go down here. Wait, let go. I got you.
Remember, you guys are a team. You gotta be careful.
I'll get you. Okay? I want to pick me up. Okay, you're up. You're not scared. You went all the way up there.
You guys did teamwork. You guys did it. High fives. How is it?
Good. Hard.
How hard?
So hard. Okay, let me go first.
You did it. The wasp? Ooh, he's scary. Watch out for a stinger.
I'm not afraid to ride a wasp. I'm brave.
Woo! Mr. Slug.
You're too big. We're gonna see who's the craziest, and Daddy's gonna show you who's the craziest, and comment down below who's the craziest. Craziest! Okay, now I'm gonna be showing what my sister likes to do. It's called the underdog. Underdog! Woo! That's how you do the underdog.